The all-new 2026 Honda Camper van is more than just a motorhome. It's a full-scale transformation of what modern travel is supposed to feel like. From the moment this stunning machine rolls into view, its presence commands attention. The futuristic aerodynamic body, the continuous panoramic front glass, the ultra-sleek LED lighting, and the sculpted luxury lines along the sides make it look less like a camper van and more like a next-generation luxury shuttle designed for the road ahead. Every inch of the exterior reflects Honda's philosophy of precision, innovation, and elegance. The front fascia is beautifully crafted, highlighted by a floating LED strip that seamlessly blends into the blacked-out Honda grille, creating a visual signature that makes the 2026 model instantly recognizable, even from a distance. As the camera walks around the left side, the van sits low, stable, and confident, thanks to its wide stance and premium multi-spoke alloy wheels. The body contours shift with the lighting of the showroom, giving the van a liquid metal effect that enhances the premium nature of its design. The wraparound glass cabin allows for massive visibility from the inside while giving the exterior a modern spaceship-like presence. Honda has designed this van with an emphasis on blending comfort, aerodynamics, and fuel-efficient performance, making it ideal for long-distance adventures, open-road touring, and luxury family travel. Whether parked at a scenic lakeside or cruising through the highway, the 2026 Honda Camper van carries an identity of pure sophistication and next-level craftsmanship. The rear side continues this futuristic approach with sweeping LED tail lights, high-mounted safety lamps, and a clean sculpted finish that gives it a premium yacht-inspired feel. The tall structure allows for a fully optimized interior layout where every inch of space is used with purpose. Honda has taken the motorhome travel experience and elevated it to a luxury lifestyle, turning every road trip into a first-class journey. From the outside, this camper van doesn't just look like a vehicle, it looks like a statement of modern adventure, innovation, and American road freedom. Now the camera moves inside the van, where the experience becomes even more impressive. The moment you step through the automated sliding door, the environment transforms from a luxury vehicle into a mobile home designed with comfort, technology, and functionality in mind. Soft ambient lighting washes the interior with a warm glow. The premium leather textures, brushed aluminum accents, and smooth surfaces create an environment that feels both elegant and incredibly relaxing. Unlike traditional RV layouts, Honda has adopted a futuristic open-concept format, giving every section a sense of spaciousness. This is more than a van interior, it's a luxury suite on wheels built for travelers who want to enjoy the road without sacrificing comfort. The front driving cabin features an advanced digital cockpit, motion-adaptive steering, and a panoramic windshield that opens the road like a cinematic view. Driving this machine feels more like piloting a modern aircraft than operating a regular camper. The seats are ergonomic, ventilated, and designed for long-distance comfort, making road trips feel effortless. Honda's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride through highways, mountains, deserts, and off-road paths, giving you a stable and safe journey wherever you go. Moving deeper inside, the camera transitions toward the private living spaces, starting with one of the most important areas of any motorhome, the bedroom. This is where the camper truly becomes home. The bedroom area is designed as a cozy retreat with soft lighting, premium fabric textures, and a comfortable full-size bed that provides a hotel-like sleeping experience. The side windows are tinted for privacy while still giving you the option to enjoy natural outdoor views during the day. Hidden storage compartments are built into the side panels, giving you enough space for clothes, accessories, and travel essentials without sacrificing room. Overhead LED strips offer a calm, relaxing glow for nighttime reading or soft ambient lighting. With climate control vents, USB ports, and wireless charging pads, the bedroom blends comfort with modern technology, creating a peaceful place to unwind after long hours of outdoor exploration or driving. Everything about this space is crafted to give you rest, quiet, and comfort, no matter where you park the van. Moving forward, the kitchen area continues Honda's commitment to efficiency and smart design. The compact but fully functional kitchen includes a modern induction cooktop, a stainless steel mini refrigerator, a microwave oven, and a deep sink with a high-arc faucet. The countertop is made from durable, easy-clean material that resembles marble, adding a touch of luxury to meal preparation. Cabinets and drawers are soft-closing, offering smooth operation and plenty of storage for groceries, utensils, and cookware. LED task lighting illuminates the entire area, making it easy to prepare meals even during the night. This kitchen turns every stop into an opportunity to enjoy fresh food and warm dishes, bringing the comfort of home-cooked meals into your outdoor travels. Whether you're warming up coffee at sunrise or preparing dinner under the night sky, the 2026 Honda Camper van's kitchen is designed to support every moment of travel life. The final stop of the interior tour brings us to the washroom, one of the most essential features of any true motorhome. Honda has engineered this washroom with both practicality and comfort in mind. It features a space-efficient layout with a full standing shower, a modern flush toilet, and a stylish sink area with a mirror and storage shelves. The shower walls are waterproof laminated panels with a luxury finish, giving it a high-end residential feel. A built-in ventilation system ensures fresh airflow, while LED ceiling lighting provides a clean, bright environment. The washroom is designed to offer complete privacy and convenience, allowing travelers to maintain comfort and hygiene during long journeys without relying on external facilities. From morning routines to end-of-day freshening up, this washroom brings a sense of normal life into the heart of your road adventures. The 2026 Honda Camper van brings together design, technology, and comfort in a way that redefines modern road travel. It's not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle experience crafted for explorers, families, and anyone who wants to enjoy freedom on the open road with true Honda luxury.